Grammar exercise. Other verbs, present. I run in the morning. I do not run in the morning. Do I run in the morning? I work at home. I do not work at home. Do I work at home? I read many books. I do not read many books. Do I read many books? You cook every day. You do not cook every day. Do you cook every day? You study English. You do not study English. Do you study English? You love Jane. You do not love Jane. Do you love Jane? He plays soccer. He does not play soccer. Does he play soccer? He likes math. He does not like math. Does he like math? He writes letters. He does not write letters. Does he write letters? She cooks pasta. She does not cook pasta. Does she cook pasta? She drives a car. She does not drive a car. Does she drive a car? She buys apples. She does not buy apples. Does she buy apples? It licks an ice cream. It does not lick an ice cream. Does it lick an ice cream? It bites a toy. It does not bite a toy. Does it bite a toy? It barks at a tree. It does not bark at a tree. Does it bark at a tree? We have a meeting. We do not have a meeting. Do we have a meeting? We go to the park. We do not go to the park. Do we go to the park? We sing old songs. We do not sing old songs. Do we sing old songs? You clean your house. You do not clean your house. Do you clean your house? You carry a box. You do not carry a box. Do you carry a box? You walk your dogs. You do not walk your dogs. Do you walk your dogs? They swim in the pool. They do not swim in the pool. Do they swim in the pool? They eat at a restaurant. They do not eat at a restaurant. Do they eat at a restaurant? They wash their car. They do not wash their car. Do they wash their car?